Design made sublime. LG Article.
Higher Advanced Series Air Conditioner. Comfort. 3D airflow. Vertical and horizontal auto swing louvers deliver 3D airflow like natural breeze. Optimized cross-flow fan. Advanced fan blade design, reducing airflow turbulence and noise by changing fan blade inclination angle from 27 degrees to 25 degrees. Optimized air duct design. Super quiet down to 22 dBA. 60-foot plus long-distance airflow supply. Turbo cooling. Innovative airflow technology delivers quiet and comfortable air. Health. Multiple layers of filters. Multiple choices of filter available and ensure the best indoor air quality. The air purifying system ensures indoor air quality for your health. Performance. Advanced Series. E-Stock most efficient qualified product line. SEER up to 23.5. The superior heating performance under severe cold weather. HSPF up to 12. 9000 BTU units can provide 100% heating at 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher Advanced Series Air Conditioner.
Hitachi brings to you air conditioners designed to control your cooling. They know where to cool and when to cool. Hitachi's IC technology, driven by intelligent image sensor, identifies number of people, location and activity and cools accordingly to ensure maximum comfort. It also detects shape and size of the roof and regulates its swing angle with a special smart swing feature. Thus, the air conditioner is capable of automatically optimizing cooling to the level that people feel most comfortable. What's unique about the IC technology? The image sensor avoids wastage of cooling, as walls are not cool and airflow is directed only towards people present in the room. It also spots human absence in the room for a specified time, and the AC automatically switches off, reducing waste of cooling and waste of energy. It's so smart that you will never have to worry about cooling problems ever again. Hitachi IC technology for balanced cooling and higher energy saving.